They got a duck. Do you see their little quack?
They're like brothers. They're so
Ralphie
cute.
rapes the penguin.
He does. They
Rapes the penguin. I text her one day and I'm like, Ralphie's in the living room raping the penguin. How can a puppy know? I don't know.
You should see him before we go. Ralphie was on his back and we were messing with
I don't think anybody knows you have.
Jack, hunt his face.
Ralphie's, look at, see, he's about to do it right now. Ralphie's the first day we brought him home,
yeah,
he
but
wouldn't
Jackson's
stop.
doing it.
They are both
Humping Jacks.
They're both humpers.
You just mesmerized him. Aw, they're attacking. Did you get him a duck? Yeah, quacks. Aw, in fact, I clapped her in front of Ralph and he grabbed it and just went from.
Well, still, yeah, Ralphie is the leader. Ralphie is, this is his home.
Yeah, dude. Seriously, I'm into that. See what? Oh, Papa? Like one bad mother. Shut your mouth.
No, look at what he's got.
Hold on.
He's so proud of it.
You should get a tattoo on both sides.
I know, when that lifts me.
I have my stuff.
Is my dad stripping again?
Oh, come on.